you okay? You're being such a good girl. Mommy is so proud of you. I'm gonna give you some good food to eat tonight, okay? Boys. Okay? It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, it's okay, little one.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
It's all okay, guys. There he goes.
Honey. Oh.
Cat's coming. It's a good boy.
It's good boy.
It's a good girl.
All right, honey. We got some poofy tail stuff going on.
For sure. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay, honey.
Oh, honey, it's okay.
They are scary, aren't they?
They are being super creepy right now.
Oh, you don't.
They're both over here.
Interested in the Brooksy? I'm kind of surprised at you. Oh, there we go.
Honey.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Brooks, it's okay.
Honey's being like...
Because like it's okay, Brooks.
Does a Kit Kat so bad than I thought?
Who is making that noise? I can't recall.
I think that's...
Brooksy? That she means she's scared or?
It's probably.
I think that's Kit Kat.
I can't-
It was Brooks a second ago.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey,
It's
not that.
alright. It's alright, boys.
I shouldn't pet him. That's Kit Kat. Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay, boys. That's.
When they do that.
That.
Well, now look at it.
It's very much
Yeah,
a kind of
honey's
a defensive.
Honey, it's okay.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you just being a little girl? You silly baby. Mm-hmm.